Really stuck.
We got it like halfway down and then slid the rest of the way.
Hey, you made it. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel today. This is our very first ever long form video. I really hope you guys enjoy because holy cow did I spend a lot of time on this. I guess now's a good time to do what all the other YouTubers do and ask you to kindly please like and subscribe.
What's up, fellas? How are y'all? Not too bad. You guys the one who's stuck?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, y'all are really stuck.
We got it like halfway down and then slid the rest of the way, even with the parking brake on.
Are you guys done unloading?
Yeah, we're all
Okay. All right, let me get my truck turned around. We'll get you hooked up. Doo-dum, doo-dum. This should be a simple one. Should be.
Now we're gonna go ahead and just maneuver into the spot. Do not hit anything. That it would be such a bad mistake. Ask me how I know.
Time to go to work. Yeah. All right. I gotta find out where all my straps were put. So I had my buddy help me yesterday. He helped put everything away. Perfect. Well, let me actually do this one so I can re-spool it. It's looking like a mess.
Hey, turn around, you forgot something. There it is.
Turn your wheel to the left.
This is where it gets fun. You do not want to lay down in the mud because guess what? All of that is going to go right back into your tow truck. Keep your tow truck clean, people.
I'm trying not to lay down. In the mud. Get him a radio. Whoops, it's my emergency snack.
Don't judge. Listen, you all know you get on the road, you never know when you're going to get hungry, okay?
Test. I'm just gonna give you instructions. Go ahead and turn your wheel straight for me. To the right, keep going. Hold it right there. All right, I'm pulling now.
Now, I'm going to go ahead and pull up on my stabilizers, get them back into their reset position. I'm going to leave this strap hooked up onto the truck. Just in case that truck gets stuck, I have an easy and quick hook point to get to right away.
I'm gonna pull up. I want you to pull out into the cul-de-sac, okay? You can leave that there. Hey, leave it there. Just in case you get stuck, I got something to hook right back up to.
From experience, there is nothing worse than doing a recovery, thinking that you're all done, resetting the whole truck, and on the way out, the casualty gets stuck again. So guess what? You have to take everything back out.
Go in reverse.
Here I am having him back up so I can have better access at pulling the strap out from the axle. Easy peasy, baby. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. There is so much content that we have to edit, but when we get around to it, you guys will be the first to see it. Aston Martin Valkyrie, crazy recoveries, and everything in between.
You're very welcome. You guys are all good to go.
Oh man, we appreciate you coming.
You're very welcome. You boys be safe on the way home, okay?
Well,
Yes, sir.
man.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, guys.
That's right.
Alright, that is a wrap on this video. We just had a 26-foot box truck that slid down the hill, just needed a simple winch out. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to come check out our channel, Direct Line Towing and Transport. We'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.